10 rules to perfect decisions. Another lesson which is very useful in life and that we learn from the Bhagavad Gita. Rule number 1. Study the situation. This you must do objectively. Try to ensure that there is no bias or prejudice involved while you study the situation. Rule number 2. Always live in the present, which means that when you are studying the situation, never think of the past, never think of the future. You have to live in the present. You have to decide based on your present understanding of what you must do. Rule number 3. Don't decide anything on the basis of jealousy or envy, because if this bias is there, you will not be able to take the correct decision. All such negative emotions will not allow us to remain objective while taking the decision. But objectivity is very important. Rule number 4. Never take any decision when you are angry, because when you are angry, your frame of mind is not in the right perspective. You cannot think correctly. In fact, anger only displays your weakness inside, and therefore any such decision which you take when you are angry is likely to go wrong. Rule number 5. Seek help when necessary. It's not possible that everybody knows everything. So wherever you think that you do not have sufficient knowledge which will help you to take a decision, it's always better to seek some professional help or help from someone who is your well-wisher. Rule number 6. Likewise, any decision taken due to fear of failure or fear of criticism or fear of somebody not feeling so good is again likely to be wrong. Rule number 7. Never be in a haste to take a decision. At the same time, you have to be careful that never delay a decision. There is always a right time to do everything, and you must ensure that you are taking decision neither in haste nor you delay the decision, because sometimes decision delayed is decision denied, which in other words means that you are not in a position, you are not able to take the decision. Rule number 8. Once you have taken a decision, have total faith. After taking a decision, never doubt your ability, because that is not going to lead you anywhere. There is no doubt. Before taking a decision, you can look at all the possibilities. You have to be cautious. But for having taken a decision, then have total faith in yourself and go ahead with the decision. We are all inflicted with ego. Ego sometimes is more, sometimes it is less, but ego is there. At the same time, when it's a question of taking an important decision, we should deliberately ensure, we should with volition ensure that ego is thrown out and our decision should be absolutely unbiased. Rule number 10. We are all human beings. Some people are very emotional and some people are not so emotional. They take stock of the situation in the proper perspective. Bhagavad Gita advises us never to take any decision in the state of emotions. When you are emotionally upset, when there is emotional upheaval, never take any decision. In the first chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, we find that Arjun becomes very emotional. He sees that both the sides are comprising of his own relatives. He feels that if there is war, both the sides people will lose life and his family will be totally annihilated. I don't want to fight. I don't want to kill my own elders, my own relatives. This will destroy all our family. But Lord Krishna reminds him of his duty as a warrior, reminds him of his duty that injustice should never be suffered. Doing injustice is bad, but suffering injustice, accepting it, is equally bad.